Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we're going to draw Gerald the elephant from Mo Willems book series. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the trunk. I'm going to start near the top of my paper and draw a long line going out. And then another line right next to it. And let's connect those two lines. All right, next let's draw the head. I'm going to start underneath the trunk and draw a curved line going down. And then a curved line on the top for the top of the head. All right, next let's draw the eyes or the glasses. I'm going to start right here near the trunk and I'm going to draw a circle. It kind of stops right at the end of the trunk. That's going to be our line that connects the glasses, and another circle. And he's so excited his eyes are closed, so we can draw two little lines like that. All right, next let's draw the mouth. I'm going to start right here on the left side and we're going to draw a line going across. And then underneath we're going to draw a U shape and connect it. And then inside the mouth, he's so excited, there's his little tongue. Next, let's draw the ears. So I'm going to start on the left side above the trunk. We're going to draw a little line just like that, little curved line. And then the bottom part of the ear will go in and then connect it to the face. And then to do the other ear, we're going to start right on the side of the head, draw a line up and down, and we're going to stop right here. And then the bottom part of the ear is just a short little line, because his arm is going to come up through here, so we can't draw the rest of the ear yet. Next, let's draw his belly. I'm going to start underneath the head, draw a line going down, and then it curves. All right, so we're going to jump around a little bit. Next, we're going to draw his arm, and this arm is going to be up in the air. So we'll start right about here, and we're going to draw a line going straight up like this. And then I'm going to start my next line. It's going to be a little bit shorter. So you see how I'm starting a little bit up here. And then we'll connect it at the top. I think I need to go down just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now we can draw the other arm. And this arm, we're going to start right here. It's going to go under the ear, up, and back. And then we'll draw three little bumps. Those are like his nails on each arm. All right, pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, we're going to keep going. So next we can draw the rest of the ear. I'm going to start, see how our line is right here? I'm going to pick up my pencil and then put my pencil down right there. We're going to draw a line going out and up and back, because we want this line to look like it connects here. You see how the ear kind of goes behind the arm? All right, and our next step is to draw the other side of the body. So I'm going to start at the bottom of this arm, draw a line that curves around and in, and see how I left this open, because we're going to draw the legs. So we can start on this side. You're going to draw a line going down. And then on the other side, you draw another line going down. And this line is a little bit shorter than this one, because he's jumping up on his tiptoes and connected. And we're going to draw the other leg just like that. So we're going to draw a line going down. It's going to be the same length as this line right here. And then an angled line up to connect. And then we could draw the 3 little bumps for nails. And he has a little tail, like that. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video. If you need to finish coloring, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.